We're teaching a new movement every day for 12 days. It's our little gift to you to help keep you saner and also moving better throughout the holidays. Have fun with it and don't forget to enter for daily prizes and the biggest grand prize we've ever given away. And remember, this isn't about mastering the movement or trying to do it perfectly. It's all about exploring what your body's capable of at the current level you're at right now. So take it easy, make sure to breathe, and have fun with it. Let's get into it. Really fun move today. Get right into it. Chris is going to start in this position. He's going to place one hand out to the side, bending this arm, bringing his shoulder to the floor. He pulls his knees into his chest, rolling to the opposite side, pushing the opposite hand into the ground, allowing him into this position. He's going to reverse that. Arm goes down to the ground, swinging across. Hand is on the ground. He pushes away from the ground, sitting up. Now, second variation is pretty much the same as the first in terms of what you do with your hands, but the feet are different. So you're going to start off with your legs straight when you do this, okay? As you go over, he's going to go down into the ground. Really straddle your legs as wide as possible, kicking that foot, helping to give you a momentum to sit up. You can come back or you can just keep going. I'm going to have Chris keep going so you can kind of see what he's doing with his arms here as he pushes down into the floor when he's doing that. Wonderful. Now, the last variation is simply where you don't use your hands. Keeping your elbows tight into your body so that you don't slam into the ground. Chris is going to fall to the side, pulling that foot across as he straddles. Continue going with this movement. Tons of fun, okay? Really, really explore this movement. Go at your own pace. Be sure to smile when you do it. All right, go give today's move a try. And remember, it's not about doing things perfectly. It's about exploring what your body can do and having some fun.